But we are starting with our star. Last 24 hours on the sun, we have not had more flares. Minor eruptions have gone off around the limbs. The solar wind here at Earth from the coronal hole stream has died down a bit, along with geomagnetic disturbance, but of course we've got more coming. Last couple of days, we analyzed 2 coronal mass ejections that released and have a chance of impacting Earth. Yesterday we saw the Enlil spirals for those events, but NOAA has updated theirs such that it now shows both the bursts we had previously identified and shows them combining pretty much as they impact Earth tonight. You can see both eruptions here, with the second one having a stronger eruption speed and catching up to the first one right as they approach the 1 AU mark, where Earth orbits. How they combine, the sequence of impact and the magnetic field direction within the plasma clouds will ultimately determine the severity of the solar storm produced here at Earth, but NOAA isn't leaving the lower end of the range in the spotlight after those last 2 above average solar storms. They predict level 2 event and a level 3 event for tonight and tomorrow when those impacts occur, KP6 to KP7. We will be closely monitoring the solar wind today to see when those impacts occur and what impact they produce on the magnetic field. We'll also be watching for more eruptive activity since the sunspot scenario includes multiple small but complex groups, and the coronal and umbral magnetic fields are suggesting more sunspots may crest over the limb here in the next 24 hours. Eyes on the sun and the solar wind. Folks, we've got a good paper here on a rare positive impact of solar and geomagnetic activity on the human physiological condition. They noticed statistically significant improvement in childhood asthma parameters during inclement space weather events. It is very nice to get a solar health impact paper that isn't negative for once. We also